From UAE, and I spoke to Saud Salim Al Mazrouei, director of the Sharjah Airport International Free Zone. We discussed the potential of the safe zone, which is a commercial and investment hub located in Sharjah, and what it could mean for the gold sector going forward.
Actually, safe zone has been a very big contributor to the gold sector globally. Today, the free zone has become a hub in the GCC market. We have over 54 yellow gold refineries already established from 18 countries. Other than the jewelry workshops and the gold traders there, the safe zone is a very well-established free zone in the Middle East. We have over 8,000 companies from 150 countries that have already operated with us in different sectors, from trading to industry to service sector. For our goal is always to provide incentives for them to grow, provide services for them to accelerate their business growth. We always like to listen to our clients, develop customized services to them, and making sure that all red tapes are taken away.
You know, when you look at the Indian companies, there's a lot of export for jewelry also happening now within the Middle East and the UAE countries there. That number also seems to be increasing. So while on one side it's about SEPA gold import, on the other side it also is about the gold jewelry exports that we have seen. How do you see both of these numbers balancing?
Look, they are going up definitely for both countries. We as both countries should look at other country opportunities differently to outreach. But the trend today in this industry has also changed. Before, gold was primarily sold to jewelry industries. Today, gold is being sold mostly to watch industries. White gold and yellow gold has accelerated in that sector as well. There are opportunities that could be tapped definitely from the geo-economical changes that are happening. We just need to have proper policies, strategies, making sure, of course, all the international rules and regulations are implemented. But, of course, we have to compete like everybody else.
Absolutely. One final question. So when it comes to the safe zone, what do you think are, as you said, the markets are moving, evolving. There's so many developments happening right now. What are the next steps forward when it comes to the within the safe zone itself?
Well, safe zone has a lot of things that we're trying to look into. Of course, we need to look at how innovation and artificial intelligence plays a role in improving services for our clients. These sectors always evolve as the geopolitics change, as the geoeconomics change. We have to look at how do we improve the environment of business. How do we make sure that costs are not inflated? Because today business would survive or would fail based on inflation, based on additional costs. We have taken a strategy that after COVID has gone, that we will not increase our prices based on what's happening in the domestic market. This has helped a lot of businesses to rethink and reshape their strategy on a long-term basis. Because we really believe that it's not about just looking at the trend and the opportunity of that trend. We want to look at organic growth.
Well, that's all the conversation about cost efficiency, innovation, and of course, putting in AI to use to ensure that there is higher efficiencies, more profit going forward. Well, that's all that we have on this edition of Commodity Champions. But with that, news continues on CNBC TV 18. Do stay tuned.